Good morning everyone. This is time for our English period now. Last time we saw grammar lesson this and that. We use this and that both for talking about one object, one person. We use this for closer object which is near to us, and we use that for the object which is far, which is not close. In today's lesson, we will see the topic sounds in the middle of words. What we have to learn? Sounds in the middle of word. See here, important part is sound, आवाज. In English language, A to Z letters are there, and these letters have a specific sound. Suppose A sound is A. What is the sound for A? A. So we have to focus on these sounds today. See our first question. Write A in each middle square. You can see here two boxes. In first box you can see B dash T, C dash T. This is a blank space. What you have to write here? See the question. Write A in each middle square. You have to write A here. What you have to write? A. Now we will write. See. B-A-T bat, C-A-T cat, cat bat, J-A-M jam, F-A-T fat. Because what is question? We have to write A in middle square. What words we made here? Jam, fat. See, cat bat, jam, fat. Now see next question. Write E-I-O-U in the proper boxes. See here. What you have to use? You have to use these four letters E-I-O-U, and you have to make meaningful word here. See here. What we can write here? I, O, U or E? We will write I here. See? P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin. Now here F-U-N fun, B-U-N bun. Here what we can write? See, you have to use only these four letters E-I-O-U. So what we can write here? Let us write O. B-O-Y boy, C-O-W cow. Now here see what we can write. See, we will use E. Let us see which words we can make. D-E-N den, P-E-N pen. See. Now what words we made from it? You can see in the corner. P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, F-U-N fun, B-U-N burn, B-O-Y boy, C-O-W cow, P-E-N pen, D-E-N den. So like this way we filled the blank space. In first two square we used A, and other four square E-I-O-U. First box we used I, second U, then O and E, and we made meaningful words here. So now, do you understand this? I hope you understood it.